What's happening, family? Back with another video. Really think I'm getting addicted to these things, but let's do it. Today, we got the Bugatti Bolide, model number 42151. It's 905 pieces in this thing, so we ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna get straight into it. Let's do it. Side of the Legos right here. This little part right here. I wouldn't say boring, but like it's not intriguing. It's nothing to see yet. You know what I'm saying? Phase one.
It called me.
Finally at the end of phase two. This is a 4-part process. So now we got the steering column already in. And then back here we got the pistons and all that. What's up, family? Day 2. This bad boy right here. We're gonna finish this today. Let's do it. We got the bumper on. You know what I'm saying? Now we looking like something. Alright, alright. We're at the end of number 3. We got the bumper on, and I think these like little fender things back here, as well as like some little side plates. But number 3 wasn't too much, so we're gonna get straight into number 4. Let's do it. Day 3, part 3 of this Bugatti Bolide. One more bag left. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm not really like too excited about this build. Like as it's coming along, it's just like, I don't know. It's not relatable to me. Like, I didn't grow up idolizing Bugattis. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm done with the supercars after this, because they just don't do it for me. I gotta do regular stuff: Mustangs, trucks, Corvettes, old school stuff like that. Cause these supercars ain't doing it. But anyway, that's enough of me rambling. Let's get straight into the video, man. I ain't gonna lie, it took me dumb long to get this door on. I don't know why, I just kept playing. 7:54 and finally done, baby. So I have to admit, this is not my favorite by far. Not at all. But it's part of the collection, so I got it. It's kind of cool. You got these doors that flip up. That's kind of cool. Hood lifts up. So that's cool. You got the engine in the back. You can't see it, but they got some things back there that move too. Let me see if I can drive this one. I can't drive my Lambo. Let me see if I can drive this one. All right, so I ain't gonna lie, now that this one drives and the Lambo doesn't, this might be one of my new favorites. Since it drives, I might have to put this above my Lambo now. Cause my Lambo doesn't drive. Like the front wheels, for some reason, they don't spin as freely. So the Lambo doesn't drive. But this one, it drives. So I might have to take everything I said about this car that I didn't like back. And yeah, this just might be at the top of my list now. I don't know. But stay tuned in for the next video. I already got the next 2 builds already bought. Yeah, let's get this video to 10 likes. Just 10 likes. 10 likes for the next drop. Yeah, appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.